1, go.
So my husband, my wonderful husband,
Yeah.
got these socks for me to try.
Closemate. So we're gonna
Closemate.
we're gonna try them on.
There's green,
They're for women. Oh yeah, mint green. These are great colors.
pink,
Yeah, hot pink. They call it something else, but that's
and
cool.
purple.
Purple.
Uh-huh.
Oh man. And there's like, how many pairs did you get?
6.
It's cool.
What's so special about these? I do not know. But
Well,
we're
let's
gonna
try them on and see how they feel. That's what what's so
Uh-huh.
special. What's so special is they sent them to us to try them. So
Okay, so
we'll put the link in the description box. We're gonna see
Open
what
them
these
up.
look like.
oh, they're cute.
Oh yeah, and they've got
They feel
like,
like Asian socks. Like
Big-
they feel like Korean socks.
well, they're made in China. So
And they have this little back padding too.
Ooh.
See that?
Yeah, there's a little tab there, so you can. Oh,
Yeah,
that's awesome. It'll
but-
stick out of the back of your shoe.
So your feet don't hurt.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my gnarly foot.
Okay.
There you go. Ooh, that's size medium. That's comfortable.
Does that fit?
Yeah. Small would be.
Let me see the bottom.
Oh, too tight.
See, look, this is gonna be really like durable because it's got like the paddings here
Yeah.
and here. Do you feel that on your
Yeah.
a little bit?
Yeah.
A little bit of support
Yeah.
for your arch.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right. Should I get you some shoes and we'll see what they look like?
No.
Okay.
No.
I like the
I
name
think I
of
would
them on
actually
this, too.
go for if I had to order these again, I would
Mhm.
get a small.
Ooh, look.
Yeah.
They have the little logo on top too.
Yeah.
Those look like really comfortable for just walking around the house in too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perhaps.
So you think a size lower?
Yeah.
Okay, so these were mediums, but you would go for
Yeah.
smalls because you want to be snug.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's something to know. So the
Yeah.
people that are buying them know maybe order a size, try a size smaller than you think.
Yeah.
They maybe the sizes run a little
Because
large.
my feet are
Cool.
6.5.
Yeah, I think that mediums were in the 6.5 range because I remember looking
Yeah.
for it. But there's a size guide on the website, so
Yeah, they're pretty nice.
yeah, I like these colors too.
Thank
I
you.
really like the mint.
Yeah.
These look cool. You know what would be really cool is if you wore one color and one a different color. Like the
do
green on
that.
one side and the now are they right and left or can you wear either one?
Either one.
Okay, so some athletic socks are labeled right and left. But these
Nice.
aren't. All right, that's good to know. Anything else we need to tell them?
Nope.
Okay, well, I hope you guys have a great day out there. The link for the product will be in the description box. And I think they're going to give me a promo code. If they do, I'll put that down there too, and you can use that. All right, have a great day. If you want to see another video, let me know what you want to see next. Thanks
Yeah.
for subscribing to the channel. We're at almost 16,000 subscribers. Take care.
Yeah, the rope trick is getting it back into the package.